Hello students. Today in triangles we will be doing criteria of similarity. Now there are three criteria of similarity: AAA, Triple S and SAS. Again I repeat, the proof of these three criteria of similarity is not there in the syllabus. Even then it is to some extent explained in NCERT as well as R.S. Agarwal book. So if concept based, concept related to these criteria of similarity comes, we cannot say the proof is not there in the syllabus. So in other way, let us know how to prove these three criteria of similarity as well. Now let us start what I have written first. Let us read it. Criteria of similarity. Two triangles are similar if number one, their corresponding angles are equal, and number two, their corresponding sides are proportional. This I have explained in the last video as well. Now criteria of similarity number one, triple A similarity. Now triple A means three angles are respectively equal. I have written the statement: if in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are proportional and hence the triangles are similar. Take care children, these 2 points. Two triangles are similar if these two conditions holds. So if in two triangles the three angles are given to be respectively equal, then we will prove that the three sides are respectively proportional and hence the triangles are similar. So suppose triangle ABC and triangle DEF is there, in which angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. So we will be proving that AB by DE equals to AC by DF equals to BC by EF, and hence these two triangles are similar because they are satisfying both the conditions. So let us start. After writing triple A similarity, suppose the proof, if it comes, then we used to write the statement, then we draw the figure and the construction, and then we prove. Given triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in which angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. Let us make it 1. To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Construction. Now this construction, in all the three criteria of similarity, if you will prove, the same construction is followed. So draw construction. Let points P and Q be taken on DE and DF such that DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC. Make it number 2 and join PQ. Now proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB equals to DP construction, angle A equals to angle D given, and AC equals to DQ construction. Therefore, by SAS congruence rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. If these two triangles are congruent, the remaining whatever portions will be equal. So this implies angle B equals to angle P. Angle B equals to angle P, and angle C equals to angle Q. But angle B was also equals to E, but angle B is by CPCT we can write over here by CPCT, but angle B equals to angle E and angle C equals to angle F given. So we get B equals to P and B equals to E. This implies P equals to E. Similarly, C is equals to Q and C equals to F implies Q equals to F. This implies angle P equals to angle E and angle Q equals to angle F. But these are corresponding angles. Of PQ and EF. Therefore, PQ is parallel to EF. Implies DP by DE equals to DQ by DF by BPT. Now, dP by dE equals to dQ by dF, but dP is equals to AB. So, this implies AB by DE equals to AC by DF. Similarly, AB by DE equals to BC by EF. The third side we will just write similarly and it is done. So 2 and 3 implies AB by DE equals to BC by EF equals to AC by DF. Make it number 4. So from 1 and 4 we get triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So I am explaining the proof again. We will take points P and Q on D and DF such that DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. Now these two triangles will be congruent by SAS. Now when they will be congruent, we can write angle B is equals to P, but B is equals to E. So P equals to E. Similarly, Q equals to F. Therefore, these two sides PQ and EF are parallel. In triangle DEF, PQ parallel to EF implies DP by DE equals to DQ by DF, but DP equals to AB. Therefore, AB by DE equals to AC by DF. And one more line you add. Therefore, similarly, AB by DE equals to BC by EF. And hence all three sides are proportional for triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Therefore, angle equal given, side proportional we have proven. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Let us move to the next criteria of similarity. Now let us move to triple S similarity. The statement is written over here. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. That is, if in triangle ABC and DEF, AB by DE equals to AC by DF equals to BC by EF, then angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to E, angle C equals to angle F, and the two triangles are similar. So the given portion is written, required to prove is written, and construction is same as we did in the last part, that is AAA similarity. Take points P and Q on D and DF such that DP is equals to AB, DQ is equals to AC, and join PQ. Now we will first show that angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to E, angle C equals to angle F, and hence we will say that the two triangles are similar because the ratio of the sides and the angles equal, both are satisfied. So let us move. Proof. Since AB by DE equals to AC by DF implies DP by DE equals to DQ by DF, as DP equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC, implies PQ is parallel to EF by converse of BPT. Now if PQ is parallel to EF, this implies angle P equals to angle E, angle Q equals to angle F, implies triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Now children, over here only two things I have shown, that in these two triangles two angles are equal. Now if two angles are equal, then the third angle is also equal. So sometimes AAA similarity AAA similarity and AA similarity can be considered the same, because if two angles are respectively equal, due to angle sum property, the third angle necessarily will be equal. So if we mention that two angles are respectively equal, then the triangles are similar by AA similarity as well. So this implies triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity, because right now we have proved. Now when these two triangles are similar by AA or AAA similarity, we can write the sides are proportional. So this implies DP by DE equals to PQ by EF, but DP equals to AB. This implies AB by DE equals to PQ by EF, but AB by DE, we have to write, but AB by DE equals to BC by EF is given. So from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3 we get 2 is saying that AB by DE equals to PQ by EF, and 3 is saying AB by DE equals to BC by EF. So BC by EF equals to PQ by EF, implies BC equals to PQ. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equals to BC is equals to PQ. Sorry, in triangle ABC and DPQ, AB is equals to DP construction, BC is equals to EF, sorry, BC is equals to PQ from 4, or you can write proved above, and AC is equals to DQ construction. Therefore, by triple S congruence rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. This implies angle A equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle P, but P is equals to E, and angle C is equals to angle Q, which is equals to angle F. So let us make it equation number 5. So from 1 and 5, 1 says sides proportional, 5 says angle equal. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and hence it is proved. Now the third similarity, that is SAS similarity. The statement, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. That is, suppose triangle ABC and triangle DEF are taken in such a way that angle A equals to angle D and AB by DE equals to AC by DF, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is one of the criteria of similarity. The given part I have written, required to prove it is written, and construction as such we have done in the last two. Now in all the construction, this less than 1 I forgot to write in those last two. You write, because we have taken points P and Q on DP and DE. So it means obviously AB by DE is less than 1. So it is given that AB by DE equals to AC by DF is less than 1 and angle A equals to angle D. Now take point P and Q on DE and DF such that DP equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC, and join PQ in proof part. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB is equals to DP construction, angle A equals to angle D given, and AC equals to DQ construction. Therefore, by SAS congruence rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. This implies angle B equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. Let us make it equation number 1. Now AB by DE equals to AC by DF implies DP by DE equals to DQ by DF. Since AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ. Now this implies PQ is parallel to EF. Converse of BPT in triangle DEF. This implies angle P equals to angle P and angle Q is equals to angle F. Number 2. So from 1 and 2 we get angle B equals to angle P equals to angle E, angle C equals to angle F equals to angle C equals to, sorry, over here I have written wrong. ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, so angle B is equals to angle P and angle C is equals to angle Q. So angle C equals to angle Q equals to angle F. Also angle A equals to angle D, it is given. Therefore by triple A similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and hence proved. Now after the three criteria of similarity, we will be doing one theorem again whose motivation is required, concept is required, and based on this sums may come. But in order to understand the concept, we should know the proof also. So the theorem says that if a right angle triangle is there in which a perpendicular is drawn. Now here we are getting three right angle triangles, triangle ADB, ADC and BAC. Now if such type of condition holds, then these two smaller triangles are similar to the bigger triangle and also to each other. That is, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC and ABD is similar to ACD. Now children, when I was naming this that ABD is similar to ABC, I was naming in the wrong way. So I always say that in similar triangles naming plays an important part. Now suppose I want to prove this smaller triangle similar to the bigger triangle. Now the naming of the first triangle we are free, but naming of the second triangle should be dependent on the first triangle, that which angle is equals to which triangle. Now suppose I name over here ABD. Now I want to prove ABD is similar to the bigger triangle. So I will be seeing that which angle, at least two angles I will be seeing that which is equals to which angle. Now in ABD and ABC, B equals to B. So wherever I will write ABC, I will be writing wherever is B, I will be writing B. Now in triangle ABD, angle D is 90 degree, but in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. So wherever is D over here, I will be naming over here A. I think now you understand. So over here, now the triangle name will be CBA. So now you understand how to name it. Now again I am changing. Suppose I name the bigger triangle. So first suppose I name triangle ABC. Now this triangle ABC, I have to make it similar to this smaller triangle ABD. But again naming should take care. So I will be saying triangle, I will be proving triangle ABC similar to triangle. Now let us see which triangle. Means in this triangle only, but naming how to write. Now A. For A I don't know, but for B, bigger triangle and smaller triangle both have angle B as the common. So wherever is B, I will be naming in between the middle name as B. Now over here A. A in the bigger triangle is 90 degree and angle D in the smaller triangle is 90 degree. So I will be naming as such, and the third name in triangle ABD is A. So I will be naming over here as DBA. So now children, you understand how to name the triangles if we have to prove two triangles to be similar. So take care such. If you take care in naming the similar triangles, almost all the sums will be proved very easily based on the similar triangle concept. So over here we have to prove that DBA similar to triangle ABC, DAC similar to triangle ABC, and both the smaller triangles similar to each other. So in the proof part, number 1, in triangle DBA and triangle ABC, DBA and ABC, angle B equals to angle B common, and DBA angle D equals to angle A 90 degree A. Therefore, by double A similarity, triangle DBA is similar to triangle ABC. So it's easy, children. Now number 2, similarly we can do in triangle DAC and triangle ABC, angle C equals to angle C common, angle D equals to angle A 90 degree. Therefore, by double A similarity, triangle, naming, take care, DAC is similar to triangle ABC. Now left is the third part. I think no confusion in proving 1 and 2. Now third part, proof number 3. Triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC, we have to prove. So in triangle ABD, angle B plus angle BAD equals to 90 degree. In triangle ACD, angle C plus angle CAD equals to 90 degree. And in triangle BAC, angle BAD plus angle CAD equals to 90 degree. Now if I equate one and 3 implies, see over here, 1 and 3, BAD will be cancelled and we will be getting angle B equals to angle CAD. Let us make it number 4. And 2 and 3, 2 and 3 implies, so if we solve and equate LHS, this angle CAD will be cancelled and we will be getting angle C equals to angle BAD. Let us make it number 5. Now in triangle DBA and triangle DAC, we will be writing the same thing. Angle B equals to angle CAD from 4 and A, and angle angle BAD equals to angle C from 5. Therefore, by double A similarity, triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC, and hence we are proved. So while proving these two smaller triangles, we can show that this angle 1 equals to 2 and 3 equals to 4, and hence by double A similarity they are similar, and hence proved.